time of year, you know, Christmas, just really gets me down. Everyone gets tinsel on the brain and it's driving me insane.
Yeah, well, I appreciate your antipathy towards Christmas, but, I mean, don't you remember last year?
Yes.
Cranberry sauce, a cranberry sauce, a cranberry sauce, a cranberry sauce, a cranberry tambourine. Christmas time, happy time!
Looking at a turkey.
It's looking back at me.
It's got a saggy face.
Put it in a better place, stick it in the oven, give it some stuffing.
And some loving.
We're doing the turkey dance.
Is a time for loving.
We're doing the turkey dance.
Queen's
got a little speech, little piece, standing on a little beast. Sprouts are out, we're shouting out, we're sprouting out, we're becoming a tree so Christmassy. Angel sits atop of me, tinsel adornments, tinsel adornments, tinsel adornments, don't forget to decorate.
Yeah, you're right, it was a good time. What are you doing this year?
Probably just stay in.